Hello guys, again welcome to my channel Mad SS. So in this tutorial I am gonna showing you the jumping Gemini trick, which looks something like this. So first of all, as you can see, I have 4 card here, in which 2 of diamonds is at the bottom. So if I just reverse count this card just like this, as you know, the 2 of diamond jumps to the top. See, but if I again take the 2 of diamond and put it somewhere in the bottom, then also it again jumps to the top just like this. See, if I again take it and slowly put it in the bottom, then also it jumps to the top. See, this time what I will do, I will take the 2 of diamonds and put it exactly in the second last position just like this, but then also it jumps to the top. If I place it down, then also it jumps to the top. If I again take it and place it down, it again jumps to the top. So it's so I know you may be thinking, because I am using more than 2 of the, but actually I am using 10 of spade. That's the first 10 of spade, that's the second 10 of spade, and that's the second, that's the third, and that's the fourth 10 of spade. So I have been actually using all 10 of spade. So if this is 10 of spade, then I also have a one king of clubs, and if I have one king of clubs, then I also have another king of hearts. So if this is the king of hearts, then I also have another king of hearts and another king of clubs. So that's the jumping Gemini trick. Let's jump to the performance. So for this trick, first of all, you need to use this 4 card. You can use any card, but keep one thing in mind, they should be all of different suits. So you can also use this card, or you can, so first of all, place this card at the bottom above this card, this, after this, no, after this and this. So this is the situation, this is the setup. So after this, what you are gonna do, you are gonna first show there are 4 cards, and while you do that, you take a pinky break above the bottom 2 cards. So just like this, you have taken a pinky break, then show the bottom card, then take these 2 cards, see these 2 cards, and put them in the bottom just like this, and again take one, keep it like this, don't put it at the bottom, keep it like this, take the second card and then keep it at the bottom, saying that you had reversed the count, but you had not actually done that. You had actually bought the 2 of diamond at the third position. So let me show you that step one more time again. So this is the situation, show 4 cards, show 2 of diamond at the bottom, reverse the card using, put 2 cards down, then again put this card down. So after this, you perform a double leaf by pushing the top 3 cards. See, it's very easy, you just have to push these 3 cards, leaving the bottom card. See, you have to just do this, it's not much hard, it's very easy. You have to just push it with your thumb just like this without spreading the card, and just turn it over like this. So show the 2 of diamond, then after this, while you put the card which is not actually 2 of diamond at the bottom, you wanna push this card downward like this. So what happened, you will get a pinky break. So it would be easy to perform a double leaf, or you have to take double leaf like this and like this. See, if you put it directly this way, so now what it does, it puts 2 of diamond at the second position, but you had now again have to appear 2 of diamond. So what will you do, you had to take a hard double break, something like this. So instead of that, see, first what you did, so first you performed a triple lift, show 2 of diamond, then you have to put 2 of diamond at the bottom. So while you put, just push this card with your thumb and put it at the bottom just like this, while taking a pinky break with your ring finger just like this. So it's very much easy to leave the 2 cards like this. So let me show you one more time. So you are in this situation, you show 4 cards, reverse count the card just like this. After this, perform a triple leaf, show 2 of diamonds, push it like this, put it at the bottom, taking a break with your pinky finger or ring finger just like this, and then lifting this card. So after this, you take this card and put it at the bottom, then lift the single card which is 2 of diamond. After this, you take 2 of diamond, put it at the second last position just like this, again perform the triple leaf, but this time you are gonna placing the card at the at the table. So this time it's easy because you don't have to perform a double, means 4 card double leaf. It's actually just you have to push 2 cards because you have placed the card down. Just push 2 cards, throw it down, show the next card, put it at the bottom, and then place this 2 card again upward while taking a pinky break here. So it's easy for you to leave the next card, which is the 10 of spade. Show 10 of spade, then clip the 10 of spade between these 2 fingers. See, just like this. Then again perform a double leaf, show the 10 of spade, again perform a double leaf, then take this 10 of spade, turn over this card. Practice doing this. So while you are doing this, exaggerate a little. See, do this, go this way. See, first you show the card and go this way, and that's when you turn the third card, but people see it as a fourth card, so you actually turn this card 2 times. But see, let me show you. So you turn like this, then while you do this again with your these 3 finger, you are gonna steal this card, place it at the third position, and again turn over this card. So if you do it in fast, it look like you had actually turned over the fourth card. So let me show you from the shoulder view. So this is the card, you turn away this card, you go like this, with this finger you steal this card and again turn over this card. That's all you are gonna do. And after this you are gonna do a frustration count, which looks something like this. Hold card like this with your thumb and middle finger, just peel down 1 card, show the bottom card, peel down top card, show the bottom card, peel down top card, show the bottom card. So if you do this fast, it looks like you had actually you are actually showing 1 card 4 times, but it actually look like you had all the cards are 10 of spades. So after this, you stripped all the cards, all the bottom 3 cards with your these 2 finger. It's easy, just strip, it's very much easy. Just catch this and take it, directly come in the hand. Then show the king of clubs, keep it right here, put the card down which is not actually king of clubs. Then again take the top card, place it at the bottom. Don't forget this step is very important. Then again peel the bottom 2 cards, show the king of hearts, again place here, again place the different card here, then again show the 2 cards. So that's the jumping Gemini. So let's go through all this one more time. So this is the order of the card. You show the card, you take a break, you show the bottom card, you do the reverse count, perform a triple leaf, show the 2 of hearts, take the 2 of hearts, take a break, put the 2 of hearts at bottom, again perform a double leaf, show 2 of hearts, take 2 of hearts, put at the bottom, take the top card, single leaf, show the 2 of hearts, place it at the second last position, perform a triple leaf, show the 2 of hearts, place it down, show the 2 of hearts by performing double leaf, place it down, show the 2 of hearts, place it at the bottom, take a pinky break at the second last position, show the 10 of spade, clip the 10 of spade, show the 10 of spade, again take the 10 of spade, turn over the second last card, then turn over the last card. After this, perform a frustration count, show all the cards as 10 of spade, strip all the bottom cards, show the king of clubs, place it, throw it down, put the first card at the bottom, show the king of heart, place it here, place it down, show the both of the king. So that's the trick, the jumping Gemini. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.